Today I'm going to talk about a special design competition for all the students who are pursuing their undergraduate or postgraduate courses in design. Hi, welcome to my channel, The World of Design by Gaurav Mandal. In 2014, India got international fashion acclaim when Rahul Mishra got the first International Women's Wear Woolmark Award to India. The same award has been won by Karl Lagerfeld of Chanel to Yves Saint Laurent. That was the first time when the whole globe started looking back at India as a fashion place. In 2016, Suket Dheer got that award for India, and then in 2019, Bodice from India won that award. So today I'm going to talk about the design competition which is meant for design students. So this is called Woolmark Performance Challenge. So you can check all the eligibility criteria from their website, which is woolmarkchallenge.com. And today I'm going to be talking about some essential concerns that students have when they are applying for Woolmark Challenge Award. The first one is, do they really need to create end products for the submission? The answer is no, which means you need to send digital representation of your submission. That means either a well-rendered illustration, or if you have created a 3D product, you need to send neat images of that as your submission. The competition is starting from 2nd of April 2021 and the deadline is 17th of May 2021. So we still have time, and if you do a bit of research, you can create a winning entry. Many design students think that they need to create garments for this certain award, where the answer is no. It is a design competition where you can either create garments or you can create lifestyle product and accessories. It is not an aesthetic award. It is mostly about performance, which is at the forefront of the brief. So you really need to research about what kind of performance wear you can create when you are working for this competition. Many students don't want to participate in Woolmark Challenge competition because they think they don't understand wool, and how would they create design based out of a material which they don't know. And for that, the Woolmark company has established a participants pool. So if you register on their website, you would be able to attend all the international webinars that are being held so that you understand the finer nuances of both wool and performance. Quickly go and register on their website, which is woolmarkchallenge.com. Everybody has to remember that whatever entries you are creating, you need to use 50% of merino wool in your submissions. And a lot of time people think, oh, wool means warmth. They're unable to align it with the whole idea of performance wear, where that the original performance fiber, which has been with humankind for a very long time, is merino wool. It is also the softest and finest fabric in the world. And ever since synthetic fibers hit on, the world forgot about this fantastic fabric. So I think the intention of this whole competition is to revive the advantages of this natural breathable fabric, merino wool. And as we all know that fashion industry is considered to be the second most pollutant industry in the world. So this is the right time to look at natural fiber to create problem-solving alternatives for people who want to make a difference to the world. One special point that I want to suggest to all the participants, that do not share your ideas with other people, because it might affect the opportunity that you may have got to sell that idea to the Woolmark company. Now I would want to make a suggestion for all the university who have yet not registered with Woolmark company. They should visit their website where there is a form where they can fill up your details, and then you would be part of the Woolmark Performance Challenge and your students would be able to participate in the competitions. So that brings us to the end of the video. I wish you all the very best.